Welcome to Futurebytes, where young minds dive into the exciting world of robotics and coding. Voted the best Bay Area summer camp for 2022, 2023, and 2024, we offer a top-notch experience for aspiring tech enthusiasts across multiple Bay Area locations. Introducing our LEGO Robotics Spike Prime course, perfect for kids age 9 and up. Students learn to build and program autonomous robots using Scratch and explore STEAM concepts. They'll master building and programming robots from cars and drones to animals while learning coding basics and engineering principles. At LEGO Robotics Spike Prime, kids develop critical thinking, problem-solving, and creative thinking skills while working individually or in pairs. Guided by experienced educators, kids enhance communication and teamwork as they discuss ideas and explain solutions. Register now at www.futurebytes.tech using the discount code FBSC24 and follow us on social media. Multiple Bay Area locations available. We look forward to seeing you at a Futurebytes camp.